Keep talking. I don't know if she's just making noises or if she's annoyed.
She looks annoyed.
She looks annoyed. Are you annoyed?
Oi.